So looking at exercise number 2, so again we're in 4/4, that's our time signature. We've got 4 beats in the bar, and each beat is a quarter note. In the first bar, the rhythm of the hands is 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the rudiment we're going to be playing with the hands is double strokes in the first bar. So we've got our right hand on the medium tom, left hand on the snare drums, just going between those two drums. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left for 1 bar. And we're playing those quarter notes with the feet. So right foot on the 1 on the bass drum, left foot on the hi-hat pedal on 2. Right foot on the bass drum on 3, left foot on the hi-hat pedal on 4. So you remember that your foot pattern is. So you've got to hold these quarter notes with the feet whilst playing 8th notes with the hands. So the first bar, we are playing double strokes, and the dynamic of this bar, if we look beneath the bar, we've got MF, mezzo forte, which means half loud, which is about our normal playing level. Okay, so let's try bar 1 4 times through, just to get hold of the independence, the 4-way independence, and also being able to play the rudiment. Okay, so this is tricky because obviously we've got different rhythms. We've got quarter notes with the feet, 8th notes with the hands, and we've also have to concentrate on playing the rudiment, the double strokes. Okay, so a lot to work on, so spend some time on this. First bar 4 times through. And then in the second bar, we've got the same rhythm, so 8th notes with the hands, quarter notes with the feet, but this time we're going to be playing paradiddles with the hands. So our right hand's on the low tom, left hand's on the snare drum, and your 2 hands are going to stay on those 2 drums to play paradiddles as 8th notes. You've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So sticking right, left, right, right, left, left, which is your paradiddles. So let's try that now. Okay, so let's try that bar now 4 times through, getting a hold of the rudiment and the independence. And then in the third bar, we've got the same rhythm again, so 8th notes with the hands, quarter notes with the feet, and this time you're playing half a bar of 8th notes on the snare drum as single strokes. Right, left, and the other half of the bar as single strokes on the high tom. Right, left. So that bar with the hands. Okay, so you need to play those single strokes on those 2 drums whilst keeping those quarter notes with the feet again. Okay, and if you look beneath this bar, we can see the dynamics change to F. So that's short for forte, which means loud. So we need to bring this dynamic level up to loud for this bar. So let's loop this bar through 4 times. And then in the last bar of the exercise, we just play a quarter note on the crash along with the bass drum as well. So both on the 1, and we rest for 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so that's how we finish. And again, that will be a forte, that note. So let's try the whole piece through. So we've got 4 bars. The first 2 bars are at mezzo forte. Second 2 bars are at forte. We've got double strokes in the first bar, paradiddles in the second bar, single strokes in the third bar, and then we finish on that crash. So practice those rudiments, practice transitioning from one rudiment to another, and also need to work on that independence, being able to play those quarter notes with the feet whilst playing 8th notes with the hands. Right, so let's try the whole exercise. So remember, the tempo we need to be playing this exercise at is 80 beats per minute. So start it slow when you practice, get comfortable with it first, and then build up to that tempo of 80 beats per minute.